if you get this question to remove the outermost parenthesis, if you get this kind of string, what will return? First of all, you have to remove the outermost parenthesis, like this will be removed, this will be removed, and in this parenthesis, this will be removed and this will be removed. So your answer will be this. So what we marked here is whenever we are starting, at that time we will not insert because that is the starting parenthesis, and whenever we are ending, we also have to not insert. So this is the thing what we have to handle. If we encounter this parenthesis and we have our counter that is 0, that means it is the starting one, then what we'll do counter plus plus, but we will not update the answer, not update answer. If we encounter this one and counter minus 1, if we are encountering this ending parenthesis and the counter minus 1 is 0, then we will also not update, we will not update answer. So this is the two things we have to take care and your answer will be done. So let me show you. Let counter I will have it as 0 and answer I will write it as empty strings. So what I'll do, I'll first write a for loop for let I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, and I'll simply do I plus plus, and every time what I'll do, I will check if my element like this one, if that is equals to this, then what I'll do, I'll simply update my counter plus plus I have to do, and if my element is equals to this, then what I'll do, I have to do counter minus minus. But note one thing, you can ask Abhishek, here one thing you have done wrong, like I'm not updating the answer, where I'll update. So note one thing, we have this opening parenthesis, we have to do counter plus plus, before that we have to update our answer, okay, because we'll have 0th element only in that scenario now. But if we have this one and after this line, we should update our answer based on the counter minus 1, because counter minus 1 should be done first. So I can keep this line first and have this line at last, and in the middle what I can do, I can simply write if counter not equals to 0, means what we can do, we can simply write answer plus equals to s of I, means we'll update whatever is the index value. Okay, we are not returning anything, so we have to also return the answer at last. So I think it will pass all the test cases. Yeah, it passes. So you can see I have submitted my answer and it passed 59 test cases. So for this kind of interesting videos, subscribe our channel and like this video.